Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you my empties, and if you enjoy these sort of videos then please carry on watching. I'm going to start with my micellar water. This is on its last leg, and this is the one that I already finished. I did talk about these in my skincare video. If you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave the card up here for you to go check it out. I love this micellar water. This is something that is my holy grail. I cannot live without it. I have tried so many different products before I found this, and this is just it. Cannot rave enough about it. Try it if you haven't. Next thing in line, I have these two products by Embryolisse. These are my holy grail makeup primers. I am never ever going to be giving these up. They are fantastic, perfect for me and anybody who has dry skin. I've already bought the replacements. This has white milky substance that very well prepares your skin for application of the makeup, and when you're gonna try it for the first time, if you are going to, you will see what a dramatic difference it makes in application of your makeup. Love it, will replace it. This one I use when it comes to the drier time of the season, mainly it's the winter time, and I kind of kaput it just now. So yeah, I already have the replacement for both of these, and would definitely recommend them. Next item is Abeille Royale Daily Repair Serum that I love using during the winter time. Here at the bottom you can see that it has these little white pearls that are going into this tube, and they are preserved, crushed by the pump, so you can see nothing comes through. So this helps me to enrich my skin, and I love the effect that it gives me. And whilst we're on the same note, I have this also from Guerlain, Abeille Royale. It is Youth Watery Oil. Love this product. Preserve some goodness. I don't remember what it was, but it is not an explanation of the product. It is something that I love using. I've run out of it. I will definitely purchase it again because we're heading towards winter. So next thing in line is this cream by L'Occitane, Immortelle Divine Cream. It is empty. It smells so good, very fresh. I loved using this cream. I've applied it mainly on my neck and my chest area. It has anti-aging properties, really nice, loving it. Will definitely repurchase it, absolutely, would recommend it too. Next we have this Prep and Prime by MAC. I love this setting spray. I have been using it for many years and it's still one of my favorite. I experiment with other products naturally. This is very nice too, but this is very luminous, and sometimes you just want to be less luminous. I do now and again, and this is definitely something that I will buy it. These are just my standard must-have items that I have all the time. These are my standard must-haves. One of the things that I also ran out of is this Nizoral. This is the shampoo for my scalp. I have very itchy scalp. I don't know what is it with my skin. My hair never gets oily. I am so extremely dry, and unfortunately for me, this medicated shampoo is the only thing that keeps me going. I buy it back in Europe. There is Nizoral that is available in the United States. However, I find that it's not the same as this one. This one has a pink substance to it. As you can see, it's pink and it's clear, whilst the United States one is blue bottle, and the mixture is very milky and it's blue. It's like cream consistency, and that one is not quite as good as this one. So every time I go back to London, I do buy a couple of bottles, so I have the spare one. So this is another thing that I use for my eczema. This GIGI Oxygen Prime. It is refreshing cleansing gel. I also talked about it in my skincare video. I like it. Comes from Israel. There's a lot of product. Perfect for washing your face after you removed your makeup. Will last you for a long time, so you don't need replacement. The main thing about it is does not dry my skin, and I am very dry all over. Next thing we're going to be talking about this mascara from L'Oreal. It is Famous Lash Paradise. I loved this mascara, but I am not keen on how quickly it dried out. It took maybe 2 weeks, and then it started falling and crumbling on me. Will I repurchase it? Probably yes, but I'm not going to hold my breath with regards of the lifespan of this mascara. So it's okay. Next thing, I have this KLORANE shampoo that is soothing and anti-irritating shampoo with Peony. It's designed for sensitive and irritated scalp. It is made in France. I bought it in Ulta. I like this shampoo, and I first tried it a while ago, and it was definitely working for me. However, now I've moved on to a different product, and I will feature it in one of my videos if you want to know about my hair care, how I look after my hair and what I use. But I loved it whilst it worked. I think my hair just got used to it, so my scalp rather got used to it, and I just found that it was drying my hair more than usual, so I stopped using it. Would I recommend it? Yes, because I have such severe case of eczema on my scalp, so my experience is different than yours is going to be if you're gonna give it a shot. Nevertheless, I did use this product for over, I don't know, 9 months, so it worked whilst it worked. Definitely good. I liked it. It's just my situation had changed, so I don't think I'm going to be repurchasing this one. Thing in line, I have this vitamin C from Peter Thomas Roth. It has a brightening serum with Camu power that has 30 times more vitamin C than an orange. I like this product. Vitamin C is something that you need to rejuvenate your skin and make it more tight and young and you name it, so vitamin C is a must-have item. Like it, would repurchase it. This is my probably 5th bottle. I like this product. Next thing in line, I have this Meteorize by Guerlain Baby Glow sheer makeup foundation. Comes with a pump. I loved using this product. I've already repurchased the replacement and would recommend it. It is a very sheer coverage. It is for people that have almost trouble-free skin that kind of like makes it yours, but look at me, I'm all glowing and healthy and my skin tone is even. So if you're looking for somewhat of a coverage, this is not going to offer you that. Typical Guerlain scent to it. I loved using this product. Already have the replacement, so it's a yes, would recommend. Next thing I have is this Marc Jacobs lip pencil from Marc Jacobs, and yes, this is what I had to deal with overall. So it was a holiday release. There were 3 of them, and no, I would not recommend these. They probably are good lip pencils, but I just couldn't, and look at it, it's just a complete mess. I never used this lip pencil, so would not be buying these, would not recommend them. I love you, Marc Jacobs, but it was a pass for me. And one more thing that I have run out of is this mascara by Marc Jacobs. Does it have a name? It says that it is a Velvet Noir mascara. What can I say? The applicator was okay. It's just okay. I will not rush buying this mascara. It was okay. I didn't find it particularly enjoyable to use. It was very waxy. It will glue. I say glue because it was so waxy that it will just stick my eyelashes together, and this is not something that I enjoyed using. It's okay. I would not recommend it, will not purchase it. I love Marc Jacobs, but this is a pass for me. So this completes the list of my empties for now. I hope you enjoyed that, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me a comment, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.